Recipe 6. Yakitori grilled chicken skewers. Soak 10 to 12 bamboo skewers in water for 30 minutes to prevent them from burning. Combine soy sauce, mirin, sake or apple juice, and sugar in a small pot. Cook this mixture over medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. Then simmer on low for 5 to 7 minutes until it's slightly thickened. Once done, remove the pot from the heat and allow the sauce to cool down. Set aside about 1/4 cup of this sauce for making the chicken tasty. Prepare your chicken and scallions. Take each piece of chicken, fold it in half, and carefully thread it onto the pre-soaked bamboo skewers. After adding a piece of chicken, add a piece of scallion onto the same skewer. Continue this pattern until each skewer has 4 pieces of chicken and 3 pieces of scallion. Turn the electric grill on to medium-high and let it preheat thoroughly. Brush some oil on the grill bars. Put your chicken skewers on. And turn them so they cook evenly. After 4 minutes, brush on the sauce each time you turn them. Keep grilling until chicken is fully cooked. It's done when a thermometer reads 74 degrees Celsius when inserted into the thickest piece of chicken. This might take 4 to 5 more minutes. After you take the chicken skewers off the grill, place them nicely on a plate. Then, use a clean brush to spread more sauce on top for extra taste. Finally, sprinkle your choice of toppings, like sesame seeds or chopped scallions, over the skewers before serving.